Dongguan Hui Hong Optical Cable Company Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of Guangdong JXL Communication Company Limited, located in Dongguan, China, which is known as the World Factory. We have a professional pre-sales, in-sales, and after-sales team to serve you in an all-round way. Professional design and development personnel can meet all your customization needs. We constantly improve ourselves and can provide you with the perfect solution. Starting from each bare fiber, we use professional production equipment, professional technology, and experienced operators to produce high-quality optical fiber cable that meet your needs. Before leaving the factory, every reel of optical fiber cable needs to undergo strict testing, which is why our optical fiber cable can be sold all over the world. We are mainly engaged in FTTH drop cable, indoor optical cable, outdoor optical cable, ADSS, OPGW, and optical fiber connection devices. We have passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System Certification, TLC Product Certification, Environmental Management System Certification, Safety Management System Certification, and many other certifications. After years of hard work, our company has established a good corporate image and reputation with its strong technical strength, perfect production capacity, and good after-sales service. Welcome customer inquiry. Our company not only provides free samples, but also supports 24/7 video factory visiting.